Oh my God, look what they're doing. They're rocking the tree. Now you see how that tree's being rocked? They're literally using 2 crowbars to rock it. Oh my God! That's... Okay. Whoa. Shit. Okay. Whoa. See how that's rocking? Okay. Make... Oh my God, that is so... It's moving leaves. I think it's got its own momentum now, guys. Is it? Yes, it's got its own momentum. Yeah, it's got its own momentum. So get yourself safe. Get yourselves very safe. It's falling. It's definitely coming. Yep, here it goes. Here it goes. Timber! Wow!
Number 2.
Holy shit. Good one, Craig. You did it.
Number 2.
Hey, bad. And this is Craig, hero of the day. He killed that tree without destroying the trees that we want to keep. Man,
Trying to skin the one
shake
side
hand
of
there,
it,
man. That is a good one. Holy shit.